Here I've got Doogee X100 and let me show you how to activate RTL layout direction. So, perfect feature for left-handed people. If you want to activate it, just open the settings at first, then go to System, click on Developer Options, and if you cannot find Developer Options under System, just take a look at our tutorial on how to turn on Developer Mode and then enter it. Scroll down and locate RTL layout direction. Okay, so here it is, force RTL layout direction, mark it, and as you can see now it is active, so it's perfect for all left-handed people. This is how it looked like. And you can smoothly use it with your left hand, so this is the one. And if you'd like to turn it off, just open System, go to the Developer Mode, right here, and locate RTL layout direction. Click on it, and now it's been activated. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.